How to switch accounts on Chrome Mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device. After that, click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on three dots in here, click on Settings, which is the second last option. After that, click on your profile at the top. Then scroll down and you'll find Sign Out. Click on Sign Out. After you have signed out, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Sign In at the top. Then at the bottom, you'll find arrow. Click on the arrow to expand all your Google accounts. Select the you want to switch to. After you select it, you will be switched to that account. This is how to switch account on Chrome. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.